All right, what is up, cravers? Oh, I don't know if this is gonna work. Okay, so I got me a tape dispenser for my heat tape because this heat tape, I've been needing this tape when I'm doing my sublimation. And yes, we will be getting some sublimation done in this video, but oh, please let this be the right size because it says it's like 3-inch cores. And you know what? If it's not right, it's going back. This mug is heavy. Oh my God. Okay, hold on. Oh, that might be it. Oh, hopefully. Oh, this is what this bad boy looks like. This big old thing. And the core is just, ooh. Okay. Oh wait, it's a little loose. Wait. Oh no, it's good. It's good. I mean, it is loose, but I just need it to stay. Hold on. Please work. Matter of fact, I got more. Hold on. Had to get worried, but I got 3 of these boys all together. I don't know how many can I put on here. So that way, you know what? Can I put them all on here? I think I can. Hold up, let's see. Heck no, I can't put all 3. It ain't gonna fit. All right, so I can only put 2, which is fine. I'll just keep the other one over there. And this tape is gonna last me for a while. But yeah, there we go. So this is the tape dispenser for the tapes. So yeah, nice. It's like a little loose, but I'd rather be a little loose than, but it can't go nowhere because it's in the thing. I've been needing this because I will sit here. Oh my God. Do you guys remember when you used to take tape and just put it on the edge of the table? That's what I was doing. Like, I was doing too much. I got my hair braided up because I want to do like a wavy style, and really I don't be caring how I be looking because when I finally get all this together, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, I am so going on a trip in June, like the beginning of June, like the week of Memorial Week, and I got this backwards, shiggity. So I think I got this backwards too, to be honest. And I'm really just, I don't know, it's just everything costs so much money. I am trying to plan for something big for for May. It's April now. And I am really trying to, between this project I'm doing, it's a lot, you know what I'm saying? And I really got to make sure whatever I'm trying to do, I do not do it irresponsibly. Okay, let's just say that. And right now, let's just talk about the fact that I got this printer that I wasn't planning to get. But that's why I have to make sure that I am doing what I need to do to get everything that I need. Oh, this is perfect. Oh, thank God, this is needed. This tape was really driving me crazy. I had to stop, like, you know how many seconds I could just click, boom. So anyway, it was just really crazy how it's amazing. You don't realize like how much stuff be cost nowadays until like, then when I go on my trip, I gotta spending money. And then on top of that, I have my business. And I know when I'm away, my business, you know what I'm saying? I still debate if I should keep it up or not. I don't know. If I need to shut it down, it's fine. I could just do it easily from my phone. There's no issue. But I am really pushing for so much. You know what I mean? Oh my God, I'm just so happy this works out. So I got my tape dispenser. Yes, this is a big boy too. Definitely going to be doing some sublimation tonight. And I do need to go ahead, since I got the orders printed, since that's finally done, really, I need to go ahead and I had to pre-print or reprint some because the ones that I printed yesterday, I've decided to just add them to like bags. And I still got product from before. So I am going to make like little baggies, you know. So the sublimations that did not make it, and then also a couple little items. People love bags. Like, I kid you not. But I haven't had any bags in a while. I haven't had no bags at all this year, to be honest. So I think it'd be good for a 3-month mark. So I'm happy for this tape dispenser. Yes. So I got another one. So I got plenty of tape. I don't need no more heat tape unless I'm doing hecka heat problem. I mean, you know, which I don't know. We'll see. I always tell myself, oh, this is gonna last me. Just want to tell y'all that this journey is definitely something. And that's why it's nice to show you guys my journey, because I could be inspiring somebody, and that's fine. And I don't have all the answers to everything, but just know that if you live within your purpose, you'll be fine. You're gonna have your ups, you're gonna have your downs, you're gonna have your middles. But overall, if you do what you love to do, it never feel like work a day in your life. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, I will chat with y'all later. All right. So, okay. So right now, I'm multitasking. I'm just not in the office. I'm gonna play a little bit of music, but I want to start getting these boxes together. And then Teals just went live. If you don't know Teals, y'all know the anime style stickers. Yes, she's coming out with a box, and I'm so excited for her. Okay, so she's on live right now. And
I tried to talk as long as I could for people to hop in. Tell you friends.
Right now she's just talking, and people are like, okay, we want to see the box.
Yes.
I was thinking the same thing. Like, box please. Hello. Hello.
Green tea, yeah, green tea. My just first I will drink green tea.
What are you doing?
All right. And our last food item.
Is that what you? So, got the boxes. I need to get little areas around here, my table together, my desk together. It's not bad, you know, but I know how I am, y'all. I am currently watching Teal's vlog.
I tried.
I might have to take this off. Yeah, if I can. I don't think I can. What the heck going on? I was like broke my whole thing on the back just broke. Like it just broke. It will not lay down. I can't have that. Like, well, there that goes. I really barely use it anyway, but still, it was being weird.
So we have one more item, and it's the start of the box. I just want y'all to see it. I'm saving all of.
It says the start of the box.
Stuff is falling down. Next year's box. I thought about chopsticks this time, but
chopsticks would have been great. I need another set of chopsticks.
You can't get here.
Come on, Teals.
My friends in Japan to ship all that stuff to me.
Right.
So, last item in the box is
here we go.
Teals Gold has her own sticker album.
Ah!
Y'all know my slogan. Experience something new. That way you're not staying stagnant.
Yeah.
You're not continuing the same routine.
Let's see it, Teals. Let's see it.
But we have an experience something.
Love it, Teals. Love it. Ah.
Got you on Amazon looking at soccer and stuff.
I love when my friends are winning, man. I do.
Pre-organized. That's right.
That's what I'm saying. I think now we're getting so crafty with our boxes now.
And some awesome stuff, okay?
It's probably really loud.
I am setting you up for success. This is my journal.
This is awesome. I need to bring my computer down here because I need to be putting orders.
All right. Back to this. Okay, so we got Maya. We got Ginger.
How was y'all waving at me?
And Renee. No, I'm just playing. We got Alex here.
How do y'all wave?
All right. How you wave? Yeah.
Sandy, go to the top, hit the corner.
First dibs.
Hit the arrow. Let me see.
Thursday night. So if you are subscribed,
I didn't know you could wait till all these people in a daggone group. That's dope though.
Everything.
Well, how I can't wait to these people? That's crazy.
First come, first serve. This is not a
Look,
message.
I'm waiting for her. I'm waiting for Detta. I'm gonna wait. Watch this. I'm about to to everybody. Watch this. Watch this. Watch it. Let me go ahead and get some work done. I know I've been behind the scenes, but this is more of this type of video. It's gonna be more behind the scenes. So I'll be printing cutting orders. Oh, there they are. I want to do some cards. I'm about to do some cards next. These cards. These are metal cards. They're.
So if you want to order twice, you can. But I'm trying to get the box out to as many people as possible.
And they sparkly too. They're nice.
Just wait, sis. Just
very nice.
And the last is the now rock.
Okay, Cravers. I'm looking down on you. Give me a chocolate fix right now. And I'm gonna start these pouches. So I need to get a cardstock. Clean my hands, of course. I've been touching chocolate. I'm always eating and working. I had one order that had like a fingerprint on it. It's one of my good friends though, but still. Even though it's frozen, I love frozen chocolate. My printer, wow. I'm gonna cut this out. This fits exactly on top of all right. So wow. So yeah, let's go ahead and drop some. So here's one order has 5. You know, they're all pretty much the same. But I got 5 here. I got another order that has 1. I think I have another order. Yeah, 6. Oh, 7. Oh, because I only had 2 left. So I put 10 on the site and I only had 2 left. So yeah. So right now here's 5. So I'm excited about that. Get this order package and ready for this package to actually go out. I totally forgot I was supposed to spend dinner with mom today, but I told her I would be there at 5, and right now it's 4 o'clock, and I'm like, so I'm not trying to stay too much. I gotta get back to work, but I did tell her, and it's funny because I already really ate. So I'm like, so it's okay. It gives me a little bit of time, drink my water. You know what I'm saying? I got this bottle. I love this bottle. This bottle keeps my ASS in check, okay? I noticed now since I've been drinking a lot more water, it's literally been, it's oh my God, I can't explain it, but now if I don't drink water, I definitely can tell the difference. And it's like, I've drank water before, but I'm always so quick to relapse back to pop and everything else. So drink your water. This is from Notique. This is from another planner shop, or stationery shop, should I say. And yeah, let's just say. So anyway, guys, I will chat with y'all in the next video.